So this is going to be a tutorial for the song Reaching Out, song 84. You're going to use a capo on the first fret if you want to play along with the original. Otherwise, it'll just be an octave lower using these chords that I'm going to be sharing with you here. So the chords that you're going to need to play this are D, G, B minor, C, A, B minor 7, E minor 7, and this next chord, I don't know what the name is, I just throw it in there right after the E minor 7. It's that chord shape, 2nd fret, and then F sharp minor. And then one variation of G, it's just like a B minor 7, but you're just playing the 3rd fret of your E string, that G note. And I just play that way for efficiency. I'm using a low G ukulele in this case, low G string, to help with the vocalization of it. So the way that I like to play this is like this, and then I'll show you. I'll go through how I'm picking it and everything like that. So it starts off. Okay, just like that. So it just gives it a little more vocalization, makes it sing out a little bit more on its own. If you're playing with other people, you know, it helps those chords stand out. And you know, you can, if you have somebody else that you can play with that knows inversion chords, chord inversions, it's fun to play that way as well. With the other person playing up high the various chord inversions, just to give it a different sound, and harmonies and things like that. But anyway, how to play this song is, and I'll do this the best I can. I'm not very good at teaching these things, so if I mess up, just try to look at the chord shapes. But so the first line, your D chord, instead of making that, you're just going to lift up your ring finger and start off plucking down. Let me just lower this a little bit. Plucking down on your C string, and then so you're going to be playing these bottom 3 strings for those vocalizations for the most part. So C string, E string, A string, so, and then strum down for the chord. So you have to put your ring finger down at that point to make that D. And then same thing, start with the C and E, but move your ring finger over to the G string, 4th fret, and this is where you need that low G. And then we're going to play that G alternative. So B minor, pluck down on your C string, and then lift up. So C string, E string, A string, and then play that B minor 7 chord. And you can, you know, put different stops and mutes in there, but ring finger goes to the E string, and then lift up. Play the open, well, don't play anything there, just keep it barred. So your C string, and then you're going to play your C note, C chord, sorry. So that's the first line right there. just going to repeat that the second time. And then same start, but then you lift up and play the A. So you're plucking up on your E string with the ring finger here. And then A chord. And then for here, just play the chords G, A, D, G, A, D, and put in a mute, a chunk or something like that, a percussion note, and then B minor 7, lift up for the D, B minor 7, D. You can also rotate, pivot if you want. G, D, G, E minor 7. And then that nameless note, chord. So A, F sharp minor, and then move quickly to a D and pluck down the bottom, your C, E, and A, and where the, and then G, need, A is great, percussion, B minor 7, D, G, percussion, D, G, E minor 7, A, G, and end with that D. For this D, I like to end with a high D, a little inversion. So you're basically playing D, but your pinky is playing the 5th fret of your A string to give it that D high tone at the end. So that's it. Hopefully that gives some ideas to play around with, and you can have fun with that.